Welcome back. This is part 3 of the do-it-yourself hydroponic aquarium filter. It's been about 4 weeks since we originally planted the lettuce, and you can see here that it has really started to take off. In the previous video I did not show the lighting, so I want to take a minute now and show you the lighting system that I got. These lights actually were picked up from Amazon. They ran about $25, which included the shipping. They're a 12 by 12 inch LED panel with what looks like Christmas lights. There are a bunch of red and blue Christmas lights that are mounted in this panel. And then we ended up with 6 of these panels, 3 on each side. And then I mounted just a standard fluorescent light in the middle. Without the fluorescent light, it's really almost hard to see. It's kind of, the plants have a funny glow. So we added the fluorescent light to the middle. The whole works is mounted to a board, and then that board is fastened to the wall on the end, and then each one of those 6 panels comes up, and we took the wires off and we combined them in this electrical box, and then ran a single lead over, and it runs down and over here and into a timer. And the timer is set. It runs from 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. We get 12 hours of light every day. That appears to be more than adequate. As you can see, the plants have just skyrocketed. If you come down here and look, you can check out some of the roots. If I don't bump this and pull this up and show you, you can see there's some tremendous roots on the bottom of these buckets. The buckets are the little plastic cups, and in the cups have a hydroponic corn. It's more of a, it's almost like a little clay pellets. They're not very heavy, but they do appear to hold water and moisture, which keeps them damp. And we ended up with a total of 16 pots. There are 8 on each side, and if the water simply runs from the filter over into the tank, runs down through the pipes, around the horn over here, back down through here, and then out. There's a small standpipe here that you can see that keeps the water level up, and there's just a constant flow. I've actually had to, they're kind of gangly, I've actually had to stick some little pencil sticks in there to try to hold them up. All in all, though, I think it's worked out really super. The phosphate levels are down considerably, along with the nitrate levels. So I think it's accomplished everything I wanted it to accomplish. I've got about, probably $250 invested in this, and of that, about $180 of it is these lights. They're $25 a piece, so you can see very quickly $150 for just the LED lights, and then you put a strip light in it. So that probably was the majority of it. The rest of it's just standard PVC. It's Schedule 40 PVC. It was purchased at the local Home Depot and had plenty of it. And that's our finished product. So the end result is the water runs from the filter over through the hydroponic tank. Well, hydroponic tubes, actually. It holds about 5 gallons of water. Runs down and out through a little drain pipe here, and then dumps into a 55-gallon barrel. Again, that's where the main pump is that runs up and back into the tank upstairs. The tank upstairs is an overflow tank, so the water runs up through the tank, back down through the sump filter, over, and then out. So that's the results of the filter from downstairs. Let's go upstairs, and I'll take a minute and show you how much better the tank looks. It's really come along great. So I'll see you again upstairs in just a minute. So here we are upstairs. It's been about 4 weeks, maybe a little over 4 weeks, since we last completed the hydroponic filter and planted the lettuce downstairs. And you can see here that there's been a marked improvement in the quality of the tank and the removal, actually, of the algae. There is an albino algae eater, I can show him over here, who is actually, I think, put on a few pounds over the last couple of weeks. He's done a great job of of removing all the algae. If you remember, this column over here in the tank was really coated. You can almost kind of see the paths where he's been up and down enjoying the algae. As we cut down on the phosphates, he's cut down on the growth that's allowed him to eat the phosphates. But the tank itself has become quite clear. The fish are doing outstanding, and overall I would say that the do-it-yourself hydroponic aquarium filter has been a great success. So that's the finished product, and I hope you enjoyed the construction video. Thanks. Bye.